We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this American singer and songwriter. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and often unclear music celebrity names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. Her real name is Gabriela Sarmiento Wilson, but she's known as H.E.R, but she does pronounce it herself as her. Simply her. It's as simple as that. And now you know her. Do you know about this rapper, female rapper? How do you say this one? Caesar. Caesar. Yes, it's pretty straightforward once you know. Another interesting one. Giveon. Giveon. Pretty straightforward, right? Giveon. Once you know, it's easy, huh? How about this one? Many say it as Saweetie, and it does almost sound like it, but you do want to put a little sound for the A there, as Saweetie, Saweetie, not sweetie, but rather Saweetie. An interesting one as well. No, it's not Ali, but Ali, Gatie, Gatie. Yes, Gatie. Kio, not Kio, but rather Kio Cyr. Kio Cyr is how to say it correctly. This one is pretty straightforward. Lil Nas X. Lil Nas X. Yes, indeed. Lil Nas X. Many get this one wrong, even though she's so famous. Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish, not Eilish, but rather Eilish. Billie Eilish. Rest in peace, peace to his soul. XXXTentacion. XXXTentacion. And there are on this channel many more videos on about many music celebrities you're wondering how to pronounce their names correctly, like Kanye West. A lot of people get this one right though. Kanye West, but more videos on how to pronounce more music celebrity names, also celebrity names from the film industry, and that so many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.